Hi friends, this video shows how to do software update or system update. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings. Select this settings icon. Go to system. Go to about. Go to system update. Now it's checking for update. Please wait. Okay, done. It shows that there is an update. Size of the update is 731 MB. Let me check what is in this update. This software update includes Android security patch level has been updated, other bug fixes and performance improvements. So we have to check what is in the update. We have to carefully read it. If we are okay with that, we can go ahead and select restart now button. So then it will download and install this software update into the TV. So this way we can check for software update, then download and install it. So please try it.